Hi guys, welcome to my channel Easy DIY Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make nasi minyak hujan panas. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the ingredients. I'm going to make a lot of rice today. So I have here 2175 grams of basmati rice. This is pre-soaked for 30 minutes. Water 2100 milliliters, 2.1 liters. 1 stick of cinnamon. This is clove, 14 cloves, and star anise 2, and cardamom pods 14. Salt, seasoning optional. We are going to use some sugar. This is raisins, golden raisins, and fried shallots. I have here 1 cup of evaporated milk. We are going to use some clarified butter. This is 7 cloves of garlic and 1 cup of shallots. This is maybe 1/4 cup of ginger and 2 red onions, and I have here 6 pandan leaves and some food coloring. It's up to you. I have here 4 types of colors: red, blue, yellow, and so I'm green. Going to start by putting 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and our clarified butter, 3 tablespoons of clarified butter. Now we can put in our cinnamon sticks and all the cloves and star anise and cardamom pods. Fry this up until it's fragrant. In the meantime, let's chop up our onion. Put it in. So I'm slicing up our shallots now. And our garlic, I'm just slicing it thinly. If you are doing this in a small portion, maybe just divide the ingredients into 3, because I'm feeding maybe 20 people today, so I'm cooking a lot of rice. I'm going to write down the ingredients later under the video section. You can scroll down under the video to see the list of ingredients. And the ginger. Okay, let's continue frying this. So this is the base of our nasi minyak. It's smelling really good right now. It's really fragrant. Let's fry this rice. We are just going to fry this rice for maybe 5 minutes. That's enough. And then we will be cooking this in a rice cooker. In here I have 2.1 liters of water. Now let's put some salt. 1, 2, 3 teaspoons. Sugar. 1, 2, 3. Seasoning. 1, 2. Let's stir this up. And our evaporated milk. Half cup. Oh yeah, I want to put my raisins right now. And the pandan leaves. So I have here 6. It's a huge one, very fresh. As usual, stir it and tie. Okay. Put it in. Okay. And press. So our rice is cooked. We are going to put the colors in right now. Fluff the rice a little bit. Don't fluff it too much because we don't want to break the rice grain. Okay, like so. It's beautifully cooked. Next, let's make some holes like so. A few drops. Okay. We're not going to stir right now. Just let it be like this. Put the pandan leaves back and put the cover back. Put the lid on and leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, and then we can stir. We don't need this pandan leaf anymore. Now we can And finally, fried shallots. So here you go. Nasi minyak hujan panas. Best eaten with beef kurma. Okay? So I hope you enjoy watching my video. And please don't forget to subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye!